Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to enter same text into the multiple cells at once. If you want to enter some text in multiple cells, you have to select the cells where you want to enter text. Then press F2 key for editing mode and type the text which you want to display all the cells. I am typing Excel, and after typing press Ctrl Enter. Then text will be display all the cells where I selected. You can do this technique like this as well. Just select the text cells and press Ctrl key and select the cells. After selecting the text, just press F2 for editing mode and type word and press Ctrl Enter. The text will be display all the cell which I selected. This technique is very useful in Excel. And another technique, just select some cells and press F2 and type date and press tab key and type description and press tab and type quantity, press tab and type rate, press tab and type amount. Then I press tab, it will move it into these cells. Because I selected this cell, the typing will be in that cells. And press tab key, enter data, and press tab key, enter data, and after tapping in last cell you type tab key, it will move to the first cells in the selection. This technique is very useful for data entry. You can use it. Hope these tips will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.